Y'all, I got this famous friend. Her name is Strands of Alexis. She has her own hashtag. It's hashtag use your stash. That's what we all supposed to be doing, right? If I told y'all that I wasn't buying anything for Black Friday, would y'all be mad at me? Seriously, y'all. I got so much stuff. I really don't need to buy nothing. But, you know them products be calling you like you just need it in your life. And everybody else shopping, you don't want to feel left out. Like, I ain't broke. Like, broke. But wait, I'm going to show y'all how much stuff I got and let y'all know why I ain't okay. I told y'all, but since I got a problem and I need a whole intervention, a yandla moment, let's just get this video going. Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So y'all, I am really shocked that I'm making this video because I had my mind set. I said, look girl, you got too much stuff. You got stuff from last Black Friday you still ain't used. So you ain't buying nothing this year. So I'm going to come on here and just give y'all some recommendations, some suggestions, let y'all know what I think y'all should buy, you know. But it was this voice like, girl, you going to buy it anyway, so why not get it on sale? You know what? You right. You right. And so here we are, and I'm giving y'all my Black Friday wish list. My list is small. These are the top 5 places I'm gonna hit up first, and then I have a if I feel like shopping wish list. So the first place I'm going is Chocolate Kinks and Curls before y'all buy it all up. Everybody that talks about Chocolate Kinks and Curls, they love it. So I cannot wait to get my hands on it. Y'all know which one I'm getting, right? All of them. I'm getting all of them. I want to try each and every one of them because they have different purposes, so I want to try them all. But I do need y'all help though. If you can only pick one clay from Chocolate Kinks and Curls, which one would it be? And then, you know, that might help me let me know if I need to buy 2 of those. So I want to try the bentonite clay. My hair loves bentonite clay. It says it's for definition and shine. The red clay and hibiscus, I mean, that just sounds good. And that one is to boost elasticity and help with length retention. The Rasul one, I hear a lot of good things about that. And that one says it detangles and conditions, so it might have a lot of slip. Yeah. Green clay and mint, I mean, the mint just sounds like it's going to tingle all on my scalp, you know. And it's for rejuvenation and growth, and I need all that. Aloha Rose, I don't know how that smells, but I just feel like I'm gonna just have some kind of tropical or fruity type of smell going on that wash day, so I'm getting that one too. Then I'm gonna head over to Main Crush. Now my girl Tresses of Alexis said that she loves the products that she's used so far. Definitely check out her video. But I think I want to try the whole Crisis Control line. It says it's Ayurvedic, so you know I be liking that. Like that whole word just makes my hair feel nice. Everything in that line is Ayurvedic. It has an Ayurvedic cleansing mask, a DC, a leave-in, and a buttercream. And I want to try them all. Then I want to try the Fairy Godmother leave-in and also the Fairy Tale DC. Maybe the Unicorn Curls. I'm not really sure about that one yet. I'm not sure if the Happy Hour collection is still available. But if it is, I want the Curl Teeny and the Curls on the Rocks leave-in. Next is Curl Junkie. I only want 2 products from there. My girl Sheree always says that she loves these 2 products, which is their Repair Me Protein Treatment and their Daily Fix Co-Wash. So I'm going to get both of those, and if the sale is looking halfway decent, I'll get 2 of each, but I don't think they sales be all that. Onion Handmade. This was on my Black Friday list last year, but you know everybody else's sales was popping, so they kind of got pushed down to where they did not get purchased. But they are on my list this year, and I want to try the Ginger Mint co-wash. I hear a lot of good things about that. Sheree really loves that one. And I want to try the What the Hemp DC. I think it has protein in it, and I'm trying to get more deep conditioners with protein because I have so many that are good for moisture. Then I'm going to get the hairdo. The hairdo is the first product that I heard of when I heard about onion. Everybody that seems to use it loves it. They said it's super moisturizing, so I want to give that a try. And then it's the Shine and Define. I think it's like a cream gel type of situation, so I want to give that a try for the styler. Next is Product Junkie Naturals. You guys said that their products are really, really good. First, I'm going to start off with one of Sheree's favorites, which is the Frolicious Kink Drink. She said it's amazing. She likes it more than her Camille Rose lavender one, which she made me go buy, and I still ain't used it, but I got it, girl. Then I'm gonna get 3 deep conditioners and 3 co-washes. I'm not really familiar with their styling products, so if you guys are, let me know down in the comments. So first is the Rice Water Wet Dream Deep Conditioner. I'm gonna just leave that alone. The Rice Water Deep Treatment Mask, that probably has some nice strengthening properties, so I want that. Then the Sea Moss and Babassu Perfect Curls Deep Conditioner. It just sounds like it's just gonna kind of give my curls in formation, so I want to try it. And I want the Marshmallow and Cucumber Ayurvedic Clay Wash. I just really want to make sure I got a lot of clay washes on deck this time. Even though I love my DIY, you know, your girl be lazy sometimes. The Honey and Hibiscus Whipped Poo. It just sounds soft and fluffy, like it's just gonna have my curls soft and fluffy, you know, like whipped poo. And then lastly, the Sea Moss and Marshmallow Cleansing Co-Wash. Just sounds like it's got a lot of slip with that marshmallow in there, so we shall see. So those are the ones I'm hitting up first and foremost. Of course, you'll see everything that I decide to buy in my Black Friday haul video. And then I have my list of, you know, if I got a couple of extra coins, which I probably won't. I have Baskin Bloom, Strands of Faith, Organic Hair Growth, Dollar Curl Club. I only want the Miche Protein Deep Conditioner, but I'll get the Indulge too. Kriya Botanicals, Taylor Beauty, and Nancy's Kitchen. So those are the, we'll see. But I think I already got more than enough on my list. So y'all let me know if I should do a suggestions video, letting y'all know what y'all should buy that I already tried. And also, I mean, I can do a video of stuff that I haven't used from last Black Friday. I'm not okay. I'm not okay. So y'all let me know, what are y'all top 5 brands or products that you have to go get this Black Friday. Now, all year we've been in my comments talking about how we don't need to buy nothing else. We got too much stuff. We need to use what we got. So how many of y'all out there is skipping Black Friday this year? Because if you are, boo, we ain't mad. Please like this video, share it, and definitely subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.